Welcome back everyone to another construction update for Wildcat's Revenge. We have a lot to see and do, so without further ado, let's go. Here we go. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills.
Get ready, here we go.
So I'm currently pulled over to the side of the road here, but I just want to show you. Look at that. They're like steepening the first part of the lift hill for the step up underflip. Yeah, it looks really neat. Definitely looks like there's a crane over there, so I'm really excited for this. So came up here to Hershey Gardens once again, but looks like I don't see too much progress. Hopefully when we go down there, we see a little bit more. Don't really see that much up here. So RMC and Hershey Park this week debuted the train for Wildcat's Revenge this week at IAAPA. It looked incredible. It was definitely one of the best trains we saw. Either that or the Big Bear Mountain train coming to Dollywood next year were my two favorites. But there was a lot of interesting stuff going down at IAAPA this week. The SeaWorld parks, you know, you have like Dark Coaster and Catapult Falls or wherever going to San Antonio, and then Arctic Rescue going to San Diego, and of course Zambezi Zinger going to Worlds of Fun in Missouri. I think that was actually the first time Hershey has ever been to the IAAPA Expo. I gotta say, their team did a really fantastic job on the trains and stuff, and I'm really excited. Usually Hershey Park trains are not really that well themed, but certainly I feel like the RMC trains just keep getting better and better. Like, I thought Iron Gwazi's trains were amazing. Wildcat's Revenge trains will be even better. If you look just right there, there are actually workers working on, it looks like the lift truss system for Wildcat's Revenge. You can just see their orange safety vests. Looks like they're sawing or something. They're cutting up parts of structure. This looks like is where the new zero-G stall is gonna be. It's pretty cool. I don't usually see these guys actually working, but it is actually really neat. And look guys, we got the Rocky Mountain construction vehicle here on site. Busy today. Those track pieces that I showed last week, it looks like they're still here. Not exactly sure what they're going to be used for. I have a feeling these might be used for the first drop. They're still working on that over there. Yeah, pretty neat. It's actually cool getting to see crews working on this. I can only really make it out here on my weekends, just because of work and stuff. But Yeah, it is really neat thing to see. So usually when I get here on Saturdays and Sundays, like they're not usually working on the structure because it's the weekend, so everyone's home. But it looks like they're out today. There's the lift, the first drop that I showed last week, and the first lift hill on Wildcat where the step up underflip looks a lot steeper this week, I've noticed, compared to last week. Here's what the step up underflip looks like, where the first drop looks like this week. Looks like they're lifting another piece of wood into place. I have a feeling this is for either the big camelback airtime hill or the 0G stall when you're coming back. Actually, I think this is for the camelback hill, because the camelback hill is like really tall. You think about like Jersey Devils camelback hill after the first inversion. That's kind of basically what this is going to be. Gonna get some nice floor airtime on that. Beautiful day. Alright guys, let's head inside Hershey Park and see what we can see. Alright, we're walking up here by lap track. Alright, time for a ride on the kissing tower.
And that coaster is out in Germany. They call it the Olympia. Yeah. That's a good drive. I tried shotgun.
Whatever. We literally can see like
Oh, really?
yeah.
Look, there's the Hershey Tower.
This is what I
I would do a car like from that. That's the old factory.
the trail, huh?
That's actually where they used to make it. Oh, that's a long
We don't even look outside.
That part would be like something right now. Factory.
That's right. That's what
That's 7 feet right there.
I'm starting an airplane. Stars.
What? Yeah. Now we are. The other monorail. That's cool to see. If you're on the monorail, you see a train now. Here's Zoo America Tower underneath us.
It looks fine.
Yeah, we know. So back in here.
You scared? Is it going to go any faster?
Yeah, now look at below the Hershey Park fake cans.
And we stop spinning.
It got so cold that they actually decided to close down Jolly Rancher Remix. I was gonna go back and get another ride, but I'll tell you guys, ever since I did Wonder Woman at Great Adventure, I have no fear now in doing these claw rides. I forget who the manufacturing model is, but yeah. The one at Great Adventure is like the world's tallest flat spin or whatever it's called. Zamperla Giant Discovery. But yeah, this is nothing compared to that. Chick-fil-A barely has a line, which is surprising because this is usually one of the longest lines in the park. It's usually out the door. So, guys, I have a big recommendation for you. When you come to Hershey Park, definitely get the kettle corn. Number one, they make it right out in front of you. And number two, you can get a freaking large bag. It smells so good. I might pick myself one before I leave. In fact, you know what I'm going to. I have so many memories of coming to Hershey Park when I was young and getting a bag of this, and us going out and eating it. But yeah, when you come to Hershey Park, definitely come to this stand. It's amazing. Oh, Candemonium, please open back up soon. So as some of you have already seen on the website, Candemonium has been listed as temporarily closed. Hopefully open soon. Apparently they're waiting on a couple parts, I think. But we shall see. Great construction update today. A lot of work out there on the site. I can't wait to see what happens in the upcoming weeks. It looks like they're getting down in business, especially with Air Force One completed. Things should really start picking up. But anyway, that's going to do it from this week's update. Please be sure to like this video. Please hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all my latest updates with Wildcat's Revenge. And please leave a comment for me on this update. I love reading your guys' comments. Alright, take care guys. Bye-bye.